We are going to review the bull runs of 2021 and 2016 to 2017. Today, we will examine our proximity to the breakout, and I want you to take note of the tiny coincidence that suggests we are on the verge of reaching the critical mass where XRP is poised for explosive growth. Simultaneously, I'm trying to send a text message and initiate a chat, but it's not working, so please bear with me for a moment. We ask ourselves, well, what am I trying to say? My mind resists acknowledging the need to reach out and communicate. There is a difference in how we will approach the situation. To review XRP, here it is: Bitcoin, 69,180, Ethereum, 3,749 is currently down 3% over the last 24 hours, changing right in front of my eyes. The USDT and USDC are also experiencing significant fluctuations. Wherever you want, the dollar pegs what a surprise it is to see him in XRP. I am not too happy about that. However, when I show you these charts and compare them, there is a mean difference of 52 cents between them. This trend continues up to 2021, culminating in the 2017 bull run. We can contact her. Spend 2 days running today, and you will reap the rewards. I felt a little giddy. I understand that people enjoy seeing your $2 trillion, 610 billion Bitcoin market cap. Justin, many people covered this last night, and many more will do so. Guess what? Donald Trump has now formally accepted XRP as one of the cryptocurrencies for donations. People, you adore seeing it and fucking, as you can see, this will require some Bitcoin. I'll tell you right away that this is a wise decision. You want to know why? Because by the time he needs to use this money, or even later, if he never touches it, whatever he gets now will have multiplied 5 or 10 times. I am in awe of it, and I am thrilled to see politicians embrace cryptocurrency. Dr. Defender updated XRP, demonstrating both his resistance and his support for you. Keith just emailed me a couple of charts, so this will fit nicely into where I'm taking it next, okay? Hello everyone, as agreed upon, here is an update on XRP for the daily time frame. We took a pause to illustrate the specific levels at which XRP deviates from the RSI trend, represented by the orange line, and exceeds the positive 50% threshold. I have established a more compact 5-way structure within the weekly chart. You now have proof of the breakthrough. The orange line is visible to you. You can see our location. He says, your support 52 cents above the breakout, right? We don't want to go back there, but we could recall those figures when you're back down there. He claims that in a few days, XRP will retest 58 cents and resistance levels 58, 68, 90, and 120. Now enjoy. I will immediately hop over. According to Keith's charts, this is what we are looking at. If you don't already know, Keith is one of the smartest people alive right now, if not the smartest. For everyone out there, I'll provide a link to him. If you're interested in joining, please let me know. Right now, my girlfriend is arriving. So, what is the purpose of this chart? We are analyzing your purchase of Zone 821. Fortunately, the EMA is broken. This is a strong indication that something is still functional. How about the 50 moving average? We need to shatter the 50 moving average, but the current situation demands it. It's interesting to note that both historical and current examinations of the buy zone reveal it to be a very large range, so we must remain vigilant. We should receive confirmation soon after we have emerged from this situation. We have a tight bond at CU. We intend to observe. We have migrated this post to XRP. The first chart displays the buy zone. When my mouse moves above this green dotted line, I can see it. This was the possessing. Once we grasp the opportunity to purchase a zone, it becomes familiar. The green dotted line shows where we are at this moment. Here's your 2024 purchase zone box. What happened in this purchase zone during our Heaven event in April 2020? We explored the box, and after that, if you don't believe it, see for yourself. You had your purchase zone back in 2016. The same patterns are playing out here, folks. Before the absurd blow-off peak, there was a small upswing, a small decline, and a small retracement. I know you don't believe me. When the very asset you're purchasing zoned your move to the upside, followed by a small retracement, then we saw a parabolic sort of blow-off high because, as you recall, it was a short-lived SEC case. If you choose to label it that way, a significant number of assets have experienced a decline. Let's move on to the present since most assets in 2021 did not reach all-time highs. Will things work out differently this time? I think so. What aspects of your purchase are we considering? Zone, and we anticipate an upward surge that would ideally propel us above that dollar region before the end of the year. By year's end, there will be a slight retreat back into the target zone, that is, 60 to 75 cents, before we rise and take off for it. Parabolic shift, thus during my conversation, what are we doing on this channel? We are considering a relatively simple 75-cent closeout for XRP at the end of the year, which should allow us to achieve a 6% dominance over XRP. What does XRP's 6% domination mean, exactly? The whole market for cryptocurrencies. Does 6% dominance mean that a path to roughly $6 XRP will open up? That's a total. There is a potential payout of up to $6 XRP. I continue to receive comments about the potential impact of Taka's double-digit XRP. I also applied for a Ripple grant today. Hopefully, we get it, folks. Who are we? We are currently working in the breeding lab to unlock packs. The projects include a Web3 game studio, a multi-chain NFT mix mining website, and a multi-chain metaverse. Whether supported by Ripple, not supported by Ripple, or done for fun, the list is endless. All of this is it. Taking place. This is going to come to an end, my man. Nikki Spear claims to adore this undertaking. Cryptographic design labs are the most enjoyable. Invest in your future, nurture your future offspring, and receive monthly incentives. People have put in a lot of effort over the last 3 years, and now that we are making a big move, I can't locate my tweet. People are willing to fight for what they want. Say that you believe XRP won't move. What a shitcoin, XRP. You want to know what? A lot of people are not aware of this, but XRP hasn't experienced an all-time high since 2017. However, many cryptos that were part of the bull run on October 21, 2020, also failed to reach all-time highs. What are your thoughts on it, and what do we have in the interim? Ethereum and ETFs are gaining traction as the SEC targets them for legal securities. Actually, not much is going on. Hear this: don't give up on this methodology enables you to identify the necessary actions. This was recently updated here. You can see where we need to take a break today. Surely, we didn't break it. We broke the 50 moving average. If we can hold 75 cents, it's time for a push-up, and before 2025 ends, we should strive to get as close to $1 as we can.